Let's do some spelling of our animals. Here we go. Your favorite. Okay, what we're going to do today, Grace, is we're going to pick an animal.
Pig.
Pig. And we're going to put the letters up here for you, and you're going to put them in order. So ready? We'll do the first one together. P goes here. I. Grab the I. Grab it. Put it on there. Good. I goes I. And then grab the G. Put it on there. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Good. Okay. Let's do it yourself. Pig. P. Grab the P. P. That's an I. Grab P. P. Put it here. P. Okay. I. Good. G. G spells pig. Good job. So if you can remove those, and I'll start the next
one. Where's that black pen? Something real quick.
I just had it 2 seconds ago. Here you go.
Okay, 3-letter word?
Yeah. You're going to put it higher?
I'm going to put the picture underneath it.
Okay. Okay. Cow. Where's our cow?
Cow.
That's a big. Here's our cow. Cow is black and white. It does milk.
Look, Grace. Cow. Cow.
Cow. Now let's spell cow. How do we spell cow? Put on C. C.
Oh, C.
C on the first line. We spell C. C. O. Hold this for her.
Yep, got it.
Oh, good. W.
W.
Good. Cow. You did it. You did it.
You did it.
Where's dog? My dog. Oh. Okay, now let's do dog. Dog. Okay, ready? How do we spell dog?
Ruff.
D.
Can you get the letter D?
D. 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 O. O. G. No. G. Over here. We're spelling G. D. O. G. Dog.
D-O-G.
Dog.
D-O-G. Dog.
Dog. Good. Okay. Now I need those back. Okay, cool. Try to get them all the same color.
I got you.
Now we're gonna do duck. Quack, quack, quack. Duck.
Duck.
How do we spell duck?
D.
I wonder if we put them on that side. Or she can stand that.
Try it.
Okay. Duck. We need another line. Okay. Let's spell duck. D. 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 Look up. D. D. U. Good. C. Push them up. C. That was good, Grace. Yeah, that's where it goes. No, it goes here.
C.
C. C goes here.
No, that's K.
C.
Almost. Like that.
K.
No, silly. K goes here.
Look,
Now
Grace.
look. D-U-C-K. D-U-C-K. Duck.
Quack, quack, quack. Okay, last one. We're going to spell goat. Okay, we'll try something different. Spell goat. G. G, that's an O. Okay, let's name them. G-A-O-T. G. Good. O. O. O, 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 that's an A. Put it back. O. O. There. A. A. T. Go! Progress. That was good. Good, good. Okay, let's do a video. You did it, Grace. Good job.